Hey guys! So yesterday I did a lesson on elapsed time, but we are going forward. So today we're going to do elapsed time going backwards. I'll give you an example. Henry spent 3 hours and 10 minutes working on homework. If it was 4:25 when he finished, what time was it when he started? So the first thing I need to do is make my analog clock say 4:25. So it's 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4:25. So now I have to go backwards 3 hours and 10 minutes to figure out when he started. So if I'm at 4:25, I'm going to go backwards a whole hour to make it 3:25. Another hour, 2:25, there's 2 hours. One more hour to make it 1:25. So I went back my 3 hours. Now I have to go back 10 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now my clock reads 1:15. So he would have started his homework at 1:15. That's my answer. Now I'm going to show you how to do this on a number line. Jaden spent 45 minutes cleaning his room. If he finished at 5 o'clock, what time did he start? One thing I want to point out is I want all of you to be able to determine if this is AM or PM and know what you would be doing at that time. So at 5 o'clock AM, we're all sleeping. Maybe your parents might be getting up for work, but I don't think Jaden's going to get up and clean his room at 5 o'clock AM. It would make a lot more sense if it was 5 o'clock PM. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my number line, write the time he finished. Now I have to figure out what time he started. If you remember last year, you did number lines with adding and subtracting. This is very similar. We're just subtracting with time. So I'm going to go back 45 minutes. So I'm going to jump by 10s and 5s. So 5 o'clock minus 10 minutes is 4:50. Minus another 10 minutes is 4:40. Minus another 10 minutes is 4:30. Minus another 10 minutes is 4:20. Now I have to go back 45. I've gone back 10, 20, 30, 40. So I need to go back 5 more minutes. Minus 5, just 4:15. So he started at 4:15 p.m. All right, let's look at another problem. Aya got out of the movie theater at 7:25. The movie lasted 3 hours and 40 minutes. What time did the movie start? So the first thing I want you to think about is this AM or PM? Well, it's 7:25 AM. That's normally when school has started or just getting started. So it wouldn't make sense for her to go to the movies that early. So this would be PM. So the first thing I do is draw my number line. All right, 7:25, because I'm going backwards. If I was going forward, I would put 7:25 on this side, but I'm going backwards, so I have to go backwards 3 hours and 40 minutes. So the first thing I'm going to do, minus 1 hour would be 6:25. Minus 1 hour would be 5:25. Minus 1 hour would be 4:25. So I went back my 3 hours. Now I have to go back 40 minutes. So I'm going to go back 10, which would be 4:15. 10, which will be 4:05. Another 10, which will be 3:55, and one more 10, which makes it 3:45. So the movie started at 3:45 p.m. All right, so now I'm going to put up 1 or 2 problems on eClass, and I want you to try them on your own at home. Make sure you show your work. I love that I got a few pictures of you doing them so I can see how you're able to do it. If you could do that with these, that would be great. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll go over them the following day. Bye, guys.